Zinc, normal concentration in plants is 25 to 150 ppm, deficiency level less than 20 ppm and toxic level greater than 400 ppm. Sources are soil 10 to 300 ppm, igneous rock greater than 10 ppm and sedimentary rock greater than 95 ppm. Three forms: solution Zn2+, adsorbed Zn2+, and organically completed Zn2+. Three factors that affect zinc availability: soil pH increase, reduce zinc availability. If pH increase, zinc will be reduced. Zinc deficiency in neutral and calcareous soil. Zinc precipitates as insoluble amorphous soil zinc, reduce Zn2+ in soil. Insoluble amorphous soil zinc. Organic matter interaction with other nutrients, SO4- and nitrogen increase zinc uptake. SO4 2- and nitrogen, sulfur and nitrogen increase zinc uptake. Interaction with other nutrients. Then copper, cupric ion Cu2+, concentration in plants is 5 to 20 ppm. Sources are igneous rock 10 to 100 ppm and sedimentary rock 4 to 45 ppm. In primary minerals, chalcopyrite, chalcocite, bornite. Sedimentary rocks, oxides, carbonates, silicates, sulfates and chlorides. Primary minerals, chalcopyrites, chalcocite and bornite. Sedimentary minerals or sedimentary rocks, oxides, carbonates, silicates, sulfates and chlorides. 5 forms of copper: soil solution, ionic copper, cation exchange, sites of clay and organic matter, occluded and copper precipitated in soil oxide material, specific adsorption sites and inorganic matter and living organisms. Soil solution, ionic copper. 6 factors that affect copper availability. First is soil texture. Sandy soil have low copper than silt and clay soils. Sandy soils have low copper than silt and clay soils. Soil pH increase, copper reduce. Cation exchange capacity, organic matter, hydrous oxides. Interaction with other nutrients, NPK increase copper deficiency. Nitrogen reduce mobility of copper. Hydrous oxide, interaction with other minerals, other nutrients. NPK increase copper deficiency, nitrogen reduce mobility of copper. High concentration of zinc, iron and phosphorus in soil solution reduce copper absorption by plants. High concentration of zinc, iron and phosphorus reduce copper absorption by plants. Iron, zinc, copper, manganese cycle. Soil solution, nutrient uptake by plants, organic matter and microorganisms, solid phase minerals and precipitation, and exchange and surface adsorption. Then boron. Boron is non-metal compound, most widely applied micronutrient. Which is the most widely applied micronutrient? Boron is the most widely applied micronutrient. It is a non-metal. Concentration in monocotyledons 20 to 60 ppm, dicots 6 to 18 ppm. Plants, boron is absorbed in plants in 3 forms. First is undissociated H3BO3, undissociated boric acid, amino forms H2BO3-, HBO3-2-, BO3-3-, B2O7-2-. In soil pH more than 7 or in alkaline condition amino forms are there. First is undissociated boric acid H3BO3, amino forms in soil pH more than 7. Then absorb less readily than H3BO3. 6 sources of boron are there. Organic boron, inorganic boron, igneous rock less than 10 ppm, sedimentary rock highest in shales. In which type of sedimentary rocks boron content is the highest, that is less than 100 ppm. In shale sedimentary rock, boron content is highest, that is less than 100 ppm. And 5 is the minerals like tourmaline and borosilicate. In tourmaline and borosilicate minerals, boron is found. 6 is fertilizers. Most common fertilizers is sodium tetraborate that contains 15% of boron, and Solubor foliar spray. Sodium tetraborate that contains 15% of boron, and Solubor foliar spray. 4 forms of boron are there. Rocks and minerals. Adsorbed boron on clay surfaces, aluminium and iron oxides, broken silicon oxide, aluminium oxide, amorphous hydroxides, aluminium and iron oxides and hydroxides. Boron adsorption and desorption reduce boron leaching losses. Rocks and minerals: adsorbed boron on clay complex, iron and aluminium hydroxides and oxides, boron, silicon, oxygen, aluminium, oxygen, amorphous hydroxides. Adsorption and desorption of boron reduce the boron leaching losses. Third is the soil solution boron, H3BO3, boric acid, hydrolyzed to HBO4 minus taken up by plants. Plants take boron in the form of HBO4 minus BOHR whole minus by mass flow and diffusion. Organically at pH more than 9.3 at H3BO3. H3BO3 pH more than 9.3 hydrolyzed to HBO4 minus, that form is taken up by plants by mass flow and diffusion. Organically complexed boron combined with organic matter. Boron cycling between boron solution phase and boron solid phase. Boron solution phase is narrow range, separates boron deficiency and toxicity. Organically complexed boron combined with organic matter. 6 factors that affect boron availability. Soil texture. Fine soil add more boron for longer time than coarse soil. So fine type of soil, fine textured soil add more boron than for longer time than coarse textured soil. Type of clay. Mica has more boron than montmollinonite, and montmollinonite has more boron than kaolinite. So this is the chain. Mica more highest, then montmollinonite, then kaolinite. Boron content. Soil pH and liming. Soil pH increase, boron reduce. Liming increase adsorption, so reduce boron uptake. When soil will be increased, boron availability to plants will be reduced. Liming to soil increase adsorption of boron, so reduce the boron uptake. Interactions with other cations. Calcium in alkaline conditions reduce boron content in soil. Potassium increase causes boron toxicity. Calcium in alkaline soil reduce boron content. Potassium increase content boron toxicity. Soil moisture. Soil moisture reduce boron. When soil moisture reduce, boron also reduce in the root zone. Soil moisture reduce, boron also reduce in the root zone. Molybdenum. Absorbed as MoO4 or molybdate. It is a weak acid, form complex polyamines like phosphomolybdate. In plants, molybdenum content is less than 1 ppm. So molybdenum is uptake by plants in the form of MoO4 or molybdate. It is a weak acid. It forms complex polyamines like phosphomolybdate. Molybdenum plants content less than 1 ppm. 3 sources of molybdenum: earth crust 2 ppm, organic molybdenum small content in animal wastes, inorganic molybdenum, ammonium molybdate 54% of molybdenum, sodium molybdate 39% of molybdenum, molybdenum trioxide 66% of molybdenum. Inorganic molybdenum, ammonium molybdate 54%, sodium molybdate 39%, molybdenum trioxide 66%, earth crust 2 ppm. 4 forms of molybdenum: non-exchangeable molybdenum, primary and secondary minerals; exchangeable molybdenum, iron and aluminium oxides; molybdenum in soil solution, MoO4 2 minus, HMoO4 minus and H2MoO4; organically bound molybdenum. Non-exchangeable molybdenum, primary and secondary minerals; exchangeable molybdenum, iron and aluminium oxides; molybdenum in soil solution, MoO4 2 minus, HMoO4 minus and H2MoO4; organically bound molybdenum. 4 factors that affect molybdenum availability. Soil pH increase, molybdenum increase. Liming increase, molybdenum avail. Acid forming fertilizers like NH4 whole twice SO4 reduce molybdenum avail. Liming increase, molybdenum avail. Acid forming fertilizers like NH4 whole twice SO4 reduce molybdenum avail. Interaction with other minerals. Magnesium and phosphorus increase molybdenum absorption by plants. High SO4 reduce molybdenum absorption by plants. Copper and manganese reduce molybdenum absorption by plants. NO3 increase molybdenum absorption by plants. NH4N reduce molybdenum absorption by plants. Magnesium and phosphorus increase molybdenum. High SO4 reduce molybdenum. Copper and manganese reduce molybdenum. NO3 increase molybdenum. NH4 plus reduce molybdenum. Reaction with aluminium and iron. Molybdenum is strongly absorbed by aluminium and iron oxides. Molybdenum is strongly absorbed by aluminium and iron oxides. Soil texture. Sandy soil increase molybdenum deficiency. Example, crucifers and legumes. So sandy soil increase molybdenum deficiency. Example, crucifers and legumes. Sandy soil. Chlorine in plants 0.2 to 2% absorbed by plants in the form of chlorine minus by aerial parts and roots. It is mobile in nature, readily recycled by soil system. 4 sources of chlorine are there. Inorganic chlorine, igneous and metamorphic rocks. Earth crust has 0.02 to 0.05% of chlorine. Soluble salts like NaCl, CaCl2, MgCl2. From fertilizers, organic chlorine has low chlorine content. Mineral chlorine, earth crust. Solution chlorine, chlorine is highly soluble. So chlorine in plants 0.2 to 2%, absorbed by plants in the form of chlorine minus ion by aerial root plant parts and roots. Mobile in nature, readily recycled by soil system. 4 sources of chlorine are there. Inorganic chlorine, igneous and metamorphic rocks, earth crust 0.02 to 0.05%, soluble salt, NaCl, CaCl2 and MgCl2. Organic chlorine has low chlorine content. Mineral chlorine, earth crust. Solution chlorine, chlorine is highly soluble. From fertilizer, soluble salts. Then last is nickel. Nickel metabolizes nitrogen in plants 0.1 to 1 ppm on dry matter basis, taken up as Ni2 plus ion by plants. High nickel increase zinc and iron deficiency. CONH2 er whole twice plus H2O, nickel catalyst. Nickel is used as a catalyst component of urease to form 2NH3 ammonia plus CO2. Nickel increase nodule weight and yield of crops. So nickel metabolizes nitrogen in plants. Its content is 0.1 to 1 ppm or dry matter basis, taken up as Ni2 plus ion. High nickel content increase zinc and iron deficiency. It is used as a component of urease and as a catalyst in the reaction CONH2 whole twice plus H2O 2NH3 plus CO2. It increases nodule weight and yield of crops.